Welcome back. In this video, we're going to turn on canned responses. This feature lets you save and reuse common email templates at the push of a button. For example, if you want to do a lot of outreach, for example, my business that I'm doing, if I wanted to reach out to people and email students, I could create a template and then email blast people so that they can get my information. I can get my information out there to people. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to settings again. I'm going to click on advanced. Then I'm going to click on canned responses template. Create a templated response by saving common messages using a button in a composed toolbar. Also automatically send templates responses using filters. So you can set this up to automatically respond to people as well. So I'm going to click enable. We're going to hit save changes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to compose. And I'm going to create a canned response. So let's do, for me, I'm going to do 4J Media new course. Hi. Everyone, I have a new course coming out today. Learn jQuery. Whoop. Just launched. Best regards, Josh Warner, 4J Media. Whoop. Okay, something like that. Now, what you do now, and you don't hit send because I don't even have a recipient, you're going to click on these three little dots right here, more options. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a new canned response. And I'm going to save this as 4J Media new course. I'm going to hit OK. And then we're going to click on the X here and it'll save a draft. Okay, now let me delete this draft real quick. So I'm going to click delete. Okay, it's removed. Now I'm going to go to the inbox and I'm going to hit compose. And I'm going to go down here again. Canned responses. 4J Media new course. Bango. So basically what that did is it created a template to send out to people. So it's really easy to edit. So now all I have to do is when I create another course, JavaScript just launched. Learn JavaScript just launched. Best regards, Josh Warner. And all I'd have to do is save this again, but I'm not going to save it this time. Okay? So let me delete that. So that's all I have for this video. I'll see you in the next video.